To launch Chrome browser in maximized mode, you have to pass start maximized key as a parameter to the add arguments method of Chrome options, and Chrome option object you have to pass through the Chrome driver constructor. That way you can initialize the WebDriver. Next, for Edge browser, you have to do the same thing here. Instead of Chrome option, here you have to use Edge options, and that Edge options object you have to pass to the Edge driver constructor. But for Firefox, there are no such command line instruction which you can provide to Firefox browser to open it in a maximized mode at the launch time. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to first initialize the WebDriver with the Firefox driver constructor, passing the Firefox options with the other options which you have to provide. Then you have to do it like driver.manage.window.maximize. So let us just quickly check how it will look like. So I'm running it on Chrome. So it will open a normal website. This is opening in a maximized mode and quit. For Edge, launching in maximized mode, opening the page, quit. But for Firefox, launching the window in a shrink way, after that it will maximize, opening the page and quit. So that's all. Keep watching. Bye.